चित्रकथा वाचन
Picture talk. When children have something to say, the teacher listens attentively and gives them appropriate responses. Sometimes children's observations are inaccurate. The teacher accepts whatever they share and makes relevant suggestions. Children speak in their vernacular language. The teacher accepts it, but she herself speaks in the standard language. Picture talk.
This is the book cover. We can see a bird on it. What bird is it?
A crow.
Very good. What bird is it?
A crow.
There's something else in the picture.
Flowers.
Flowers. What color are these flowers?
Red.
Very good.
Red.
Yes. Now tell me what you see in this picture.
A tree. A tree.
That's right.
Picture talk does not merely mean naming the pictures, but telling the story of those pictures. To be able to tell a story, the children have to know and use the right words.
What do you see here?
Flowers.
What is the crow doing in this picture?
It is looking down.
It is looking down. It has got something in its beak. What is it?
A thorn. Show me.
What do you see?
A thorn. A thorn. Twig. A twig.
A thorn. And where do you think it is taking that thorn?
To make a nest.
Very good. Where?
To make a nest.
Now see what the crow is doing in this picture. What is it doing?
Flying with that in its
It is flying. All right. Now on the next page too, we have a very beautiful picture. What do you see here?
A nest.
A nest. Anything else?
Where are the babies? Babies.
And there's something in this crow's beak too.
A cloth.
A cloth. What do you think the crow needs it for?
For the nest. This is its baby. Baby.
Is this its baby? What is the name of this bird again?
Crow.
A crow. So whose baby is this?
The crow's baby.
Do you see any writing here?
No.
No. Okay. Now let us see what's in this picture.
It's eggs.
Whose eggs could they be?
Baby's eggs.
Baby's eggs. But whose baby?
The crow's baby.
The crow's baby. Very good. Now can you see what the crow is doing here in this picture? What do you think it is doing?
It is sitting on the eggs.
Where is it sitting?
On the eggs.
Yes.
On the eggs.
Now let's see what's on the next page, okay? What is this?
A sparrow.
There's something in the crow's beak. What do you see?
A worm.
A worm. Where could the crow be taking that worm?
To eat
To
it.
eat it?
By asking meaningful questions about various objects and events in the book, children's thinking can be guided appropriately.
Birds are there?
Three.
1, 2, 3.
3 crows.
Now, there's something interesting here. We can see a new animal over here.
A dog.
A dog. What else?
Meow.
Meow. What are they doing?
They are looking.
What are they looking at?
Another nest. Penguin.
What can you see in the nest?
A penguin.
Now, what do you see in this picture?
Penguin babies.
Yes, penguin babies. And what do you see in this picture?
The cat is climbing.
And why is the cat climbing?
Big cat.
And why is this big cat climbing up the tree?
Sit on the tree.
To sit on the tree. Look carefully.
To eat.
Yes, to eat what?
The bird. This is the mother. And this is the...
We can see the children giving well thought out answers to the questions like, why is the cat climbing up the tree?
She has climbed on the tree.
Why do you think she has climbed up?
To eat the babies. To eat the babies.
To eat the babies. Now tell me, what do you see here at the end?
The babies flew
Where
away.
did the babies go?
To their mother. To their mother. Their mother.
To their mother, right.
The cat came to eat them,
Yes.
so they flew away.
Yes, you all described these pictures really well. Now you will draw pictures and write stories about them, okay? Now you can sit with Amrapali teacher for story writing.
We have learned the following things from this film. By carefully looking at the pictures, children can tell a meaningful story. Asking relevant and appropriate questions helps guide their thinking. Adults must listen to children's ideas carefully and respond appropriately to sustain their interest in the story. Picture talk should be done in small groups. so that all the children can participate.